Hello Moonbeams and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so over the moon to have you back here, and I have something exciting to share with you all. I have recently discovered not one, not two, not three, but 4 new motion tools that you can use within Canva. I actually stumbled across it quite by accident. I was building some presentations for my own course and I wanted to animate a mermaid, and I found that they had wiggle, pulse or pulsate, flicker and rotate as new animation tools, which are going to bring your Canva creations to life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you don't already know, Canva have added 4 new animations that you can add to any element in Canva. So as an example, I have shown you 4 different graphics. So to start with, we've got a mermaid, we've got a human heart, I know, a bit gory, but bear with me, a light bulb and a beach ball. Now I'm going to bring each of these graphics to life through the animation tools. So right here, I've got my mermaid, and once I've selected her, at the very top, you'll see a button that says Animate. If you click that, you will be shown a panel with all the different animation tools, and these are all the ones that we're quite familiar with already. However, there's a thing called Motion Effects, and as you can see, we've got Rotate, Flicker, Pulse, and Wiggle. Now, for the purpose of the mermaid, I'm going to show you Wiggle. And as you can see, it's making her look as if she's swimming or could be underwater. And straight away, it just feels like I've brought the mermaid to life. Once you've clicked Wiggle, you will then see this little drop-down menu that says Intensity. So if I was to push it all the way up, as you can see, it's a little bit vigorous. Whereas if we go all the way down the bottom, it's a bit more gentle. And I think that looks much nicer, especially for the mermaid animation that I wanted to bring to life. Of course, you can click on it again to remove it. So that is just how I've brought a mermaid to life. So it's through Wiggle. If we move down to my human heart, the perfect one would be Pulse. So it brings the heart to life as if it's literally beating. And again, I can toggle with the intensity. So it could be beating really, really fast. So if I'm doing a presentation on cardiovascular or whatever, I could play around with that. And it just brings presentations to life. It really does. So that's the heart. I've also got a light bulb. So I think the perfect one for that would be Flicker. So we can flicker with how it's on and off like an actual light, which I think is really, really cool. And again, I can play around with the speed, etc. And then, of course, I've got a beach ball. So I think Rotate would be a great one. I've actually used this one on a lot of my Facebook ads where I've wanted to bring like my submarks to life, or I've got like a circular logo. That can be really, really cool. If you're wondering how to export these, because obviously it's motion, it means you'll need either an MP4 or a GIF. So you literally go to Share and then you go to Download. It's already suggested MP4, which is great, but you can also choose GIF and that will export as a moving graphic. Anyway, I hope this tip was helpful. Let me know if you're going to use it in your own designs, and I'll speak to you soon.